look into the recommended languages. There are basically two languages that I recommend you look into. It's Python, Go, but don't even think about Rust. I was a bit excited about Rust when I first heard about it, but it's so much more complex than you need as a beginner DevOps engineer. This is more for software engineering. Don't listen to those trends and just think that you have to learn Rust just because a lot of YouTube videos are being made about it. It's a great language, but you don't need it as a beginner DevOps engineer. What you should learn, in my opinion, is Python. So let's talk about Python versus Go. Python is incredibly versatile, so it's used in so many areas, like AI and ML ops, which we'll get into later. But you can just do so much with it. Basically, everything can be done with Python. It might not be the fastest or the most beautiful, but you can get shit done. And that's why I really recommend to learn that. It's really friendly for beginners. It's easy to learn. It has tons of free resources available. And again, it has lots of use cases. So highly recommend to learn Python as your first language. Also because it's the most popular language in AI and ML ops. And I'm going to get into that later, why you should focus on AI as a DevOps engineer. But that whole world basically speaks Python. And if you know this, then you can just slide in there really easily. Go is also super popular, obviously, and it's a great language. I've learned the fundamentals of it. It does feel more like, what do you call it? More elaborate, more like software engineering instead of just writing code, because you're working with pointers and memory, and it is definitely feels more mature in that sense. But therefore it's also harder to learn, and it's very popular in the States, but it's much less popular here in the EU. So when I did research for myself, I found like significantly more jobs that mention Python than Go. Basically, there are very few jobs available for Go here in the Netherlands, at least. And especially for DevOps cloud native roles, they rarely mention Go, at least in my experience from what I have researched in my local market. And you have to decide how it is for your local market. But if you're like interested in transitioning towards software engineering in the future, if you're more interested in like actually creating applications or writing Kubernetes operators and things like that, then Go is obviously the way to go. And so you can't go wrong with any of these. But as a big first language, I would still recommend just learning Python, because if you know Python, Go is going to be a lot easier to pick up as well. In terms of learning Python,